crazy kids.
He is my friend Towie.
Hello, my friend.
Today we are going to build a tow truck. A tow truck is used to move disabled or improperly parked vehicles.
Wrong tool. Wrong tool. Wrong tool.
Excellent. Let's go. Oh, it's a chilly winter, and Towie is feeling very cold. Oh, this vehicle needs help. Let's tow this vehicle. Can you see the snowfall, my friend? Oh, this vehicle needs help. Let's tow this vehicle. Oh, this vehicle needs help. Let's tow this vehicle. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe.